Good day, beauty queens. So today I'm going to do a quick little post for you guys because I wanted to show you guys what this Colourpop wine palette looks like. This is from one of their newest collections. So I don't have the whole collection. I just wanted to get the palette to see what the palette looked like. The palette is supposed to be inspired by red wines. So I believe that they do have blushes. They have blushes, and I think they may have 2 lip glosses or 2 lipsticks that kind of go with this. But all I ordered was the palette, and then I ordered a liquid lipstick. Mind you, this liquid lipstick does not come with the collection, but I did order it. But the main focus of this video is to see what this palette looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead on and open it. So it's called Wine and Only. It comes in, is this a slider box? I'm gonna like sit my thing down for a minute so we can see what kind of okay, so yes, it does come. It comes in this box. So the box is like that, and it says Wine and Wine Only. On the back of the box, it has all of the names, so that's good. So we're gonna know like what the shades are. And this is the actual palette. Really nice. Well, that was the front. And the back has names on it as well. So you guys probably can't see the names. So I'm going to read them to you. So this first one is called Blanc. The next one is called Sip Sip. And then it's saying Major. And then Coast and Chateau, or Cast and Chateau. Play to Wine. Mull It Over. Venter, Moncherry, and Grateful. Those are kind of cute and different names. So I'm going to open the palette now. So this is what the palette looks like. It does have a mirror. I don't want to blind you guys with the mirror. Actually, well, no, it's not a mirror. I thought it was a mirror. It's not a mirror. Actually going to pick it up and show you guys. I thought this was a mirror. It's not, though. So the names are also on the inside, so that's even better, because I was gonna just say reading you guys those names and you're not seeing what's what is kind of irrelevant. But yeah, so Blanca is right here. Sip Sip is right here. Major Shati is right here. Cast and Chateau is right here. Play to Wine is here. Mull It Over is here. Mull It Over is really pretty. And then Venter. And then Moncherry. And then Grateful. So it looks like it's or it's not, it doesn't look like it is. It's a combination of mattes and shimmers, but it's mostly shimmer. So there's only 3 mattes in here, and that's Venter, Major Chateau, and Mull It Over. Those are the only 3 mattes. So I'm gonna swatch a few of these. So I'll swatch Venter. Oh wow, look at that pigmentation. It's absolutely beautiful. And I will swatch Major Chateau. Sheesh. Absolutely gorgeous. That's pretty. And let's do a lighter one. Let's try Sip Sip. It's like a pink. So it's mostly like pinks, mauves, reds, and burgundies. I love this. Like So far, this is really good. The packaging is good. The names is on here. It has a nice name to the palette. So now I'm going to do Moncherry, which is a shimmer. Oh my God, look at that glitter. Wow, that's absolutely pretty. I'm trying not to get in the way of my ring light so you guys can see. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God. I want to do more swatches, but I'm not. But that right there, though, these are absolutely gorgeous. Like, wow. I'm impressed. I'm gonna give this a 10 so far. Like, the packaging is on point. The names are on the back. This palette was not expensive at all. I'm getting stuff everywhere, but I'm gonna swatch these on my arm right quick so I can get this off. Yeah, but I'm very impressed so far. And even after swatching, like, you can see, like, this stuff is still on my hand. Like, after trying to, it's really pigmented. That's a good thing. And for darker complexions, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I'm going to give this, like, a 5 stars if I was to give this. The packaging is on point. It's not too expensive. You know what? I probably would give it a 9 because it doesn't have a brush. And I really like my palettes to come with brushes. But it would be like a 9.5. But not that big of a deal because I have hella brushes. Like, you guys know I got brushes on brushes. So that's really, really not, like, the biggest of the problems. And then just to show you guys the liquid lipstick I got. It's called More Better. Oops, I hit the camera. It's called More Better, and it's in this packaging. Cute little pink box. And I'm going to open it up right quick. I am impressed with this palette. Like, very impressed with this palette. Get this out of the way. It's more packaged stuff. Hopefully I can open this. There we go. And I guess I will try to swatch it for you guys, so you all can see. So mind you, this liquid lipstick does not come with the it doesn't come with it, but it's still pretty. It's like a burgundy, like a wine burgundy pink color. So I'm going to swatch it. Oh yeah, this is pretty. It's like a pinkish burgundy. This is very pretty. Very pretty. Doesn't come with this, but if you guys want to try it or order it, you can. Doesn't come with this set. Again, there's blushes and also like blushes, lip liners and things like that that come with this pack that I didn't get because I want to try the palette itself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions unboxings of the Wine and Only Colourpop palette. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. I think it's worth ordering, and it wasn't even over $15. I think it was like $12 and something. But it's probably on sale now with all the New Year's sales and stuff going on. So I'll link it below if you guys want to order and try it out. Thanks so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys and check you guys out in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't. And if you enjoyed this video, I want more videos like this so I can know what to shoot for you guys.